the AnkerMake M5 has taken the 3D printing world by storm, promising and delivering groundbreaking speed and precision. As Anker's first foray into 3D printing, the M5 sets new standards with its bold, modern design and user-friendly features. For hobbyists and professionals alike, this printer offers a rare combination of convenience, quality, and innovation. Launched initially on Kickstarter, the M5 quickly gained traction, backed by over 11,000 supporters. Priced at $799, it offers unparalleled speed in its category, with a standard printing speed of 250 mm per second, far outpacing competitors like the Ender 3 S1 Pro. Despite the speed, quality isn't compromised. Prints are sharp and detailed. With only minimal ringing on smooth surfaces, even at high velocities, the M5 boasts an impressive suite of features aimed at making 3D printing more accessible and reliable. Its dual CPUs enhance performance, with one dedicated to Marlin for printing and another running Linux for monitoring via a built-in camera. This camera doesn't just record, it also powers AI monitoring that alerts users to print issues in real time through a mobile app. While the camera's angle could be improved, it's an innovative addition that makes remote supervision seamless. Assembly is a breeze, taking less than 20 minutes, thanks to its partially pre-assembled design. Bed leveling is fully automated, using a pressure sensor to ensure precision. The M5's direct drive extruder handles various materials, including TPU, PETG, and PLA, with ease. Coupled with its robust construction and sleek, die-cast aluminum frame, the printer minimizes vibration, ensuring stability during high-speed operations. While it excels in many areas, the M5 isn't without flaws. Its fans are noisy, and the proprietary nozzles may limit options for replacements. The lack of SD card support, relying solely on USB-C and Wi-Fi, could also be inconvenient for some users. Still, the AnkerMake M5's combination of speed, innovation, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice. Whether you're an experienced maker or a newcomer, this printer is a glimpse into the future of high-speed, hassle-free 3D printing. Thanks for tuning. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated.